So maybe you're just getting started with your foodscaping business and you're wondering, well, how am I even going to start? How am I going to find clients? The way that I got started, and I think a lot of other people have found a similar path, is by utilizing either your own garden space as kind of a showcase for what you can do. So start transforming your own yards, find little nooks within your property to do transformations, to do some education, to get some photos up on your social media and website, and reach out to friends and family. Give them that super awesome discount because you're going to be making mistakes. You're going to be moving slower than you will in a few years once you've mastered some of these processes. So utilize those clients to help build up your portfolio. Reach out to them with your different offerings and services, and then you're going to feel way more confident getting into the actual paid clients who don't have any experience working with you. Another way to bring in the kinds of clients and work that you aspire to in the future is to go visit all the amazing foodscapes that are in your community, or even not in your community. Go travel, go on a little road trip, go find the incredibly inspiring garden spaces that you want to be designing, installing, and maintaining so that you can take those pictures, interview those people, look at what is going to inspire you, because that same stuff is going to inspire your clients. And just by being in those spaces and kind of sharing those field trips, sharing those plant pictures, sharing the harvest, all the stuff that comes from those visits is stuff you want to be sharing with your audience so they have a really good idea of the kind of work that you can do for them.